Hey traders, Sean Kozak here tuning in with Tickblaze, and happy Friday. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week of trading. I want to put this video together just as a quick update because, as you know, I'm a systems architect and we build a lot of things here at Tickblaze, but nothing has ever impressed me than what I'm about to share with you. We've built a system that in all of my life, I have never seen something more profitable. That's a pretty bold statement. I've been doing this since 2015. As you guys know, I've built apps for NinjaTrader, TradingView, Tickblaze, etc. We've sold a lot of systems, we've sold a lot of algos, etc. But I'm somebody that likes to put my money where my mouth is, right? So before I do anything or talk about it, I like to trade it. So this strategy, I traded this all week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And I purposely did this because in the next 1 to 2 weeks, we are going to be releasing this strategy to both the marketplace, the Alpha Trading Syndicate, you guys know it as the ATS, and the Alpha Quant Syndicate, which some of you know as the AQS. Why is this important? Well, when something works as good as this, I believe everybody should have it, have access to it. I'm a big believer of giving back and helping people become better at what they do. I've always led with service, but I've always known that in this industry, you have to be able to back it up because this is the trading industry, right? So this has been my trading performance for the week. This is on a $100 cash account, not a prop account. So if you can imagine, I did 50,000, risking anywhere between 2 to 5% per trade because I'm a more experienced trader, right? You could dial it back a bit. But I did about 50K in 5 days, trading a $100,000 cash account, okay? Now, if you're trading for prop firms or if you could do the math, you can size down, etc. But it's still the same information. It's just relative to size, right? This was my trades. You can take a screenshot. This is every single trade that I took, right? And using micros, I traded micros. Big size, obviously, like I said, I'm trading a cash account, right, of 100K, risking 2.5 to 5% per trade. And my overall stats, let me just show you this, was about 50, 60%, but I have a high win-loss ratio, right? 1.5 R multiple. And this is just me trading it. This is not me using the signal system. This is not me using the algo yet because it's not finished. My dev team is building this. My dev team is actually coding the signals and coding the algos. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some trades, right? I'm going to show you, I took a trade today that was one of the biggest trades I've ever took in my life. I traded this, I risked $5,000 on this trade, right? I went in with 175 micros, which would be close to, 20 lots on a RTY, right? Obviously, like I said, it's big size, big account. But the point is the trade management, right? The system told me to get in. I took 2/3 off of my position, and then I trailed the runner. Now, why did I short the Russell instead of the NASDAQ and the S&P? Because it was the weaker market, using common sense, right? Take a look at this. Look at this. This is me trading the day before. NASDAQ long, Russell short, great probability, 8,800 bucks. Take a look at this. Big short on the NASDAQ. $9,000, right? You guys get the gist. Take a look at this. Multiple shorts. NASDAQ and Russell just shorting all the way down. $9,000, right? Now, maybe you're trading 1/10 of the side. Well, that'd be $900. Trading micros making $1,000 a day. That's great, right? The point of the matter is that it's super, super consistent, right? As I said, this has been my stats every single day this week. And you can have this too. If you go to our marketplace when we launch, you'll be able to buy this system. If you purchase the ATS or the AQS, you automatically get this system when we launch it, okay? So if you're talking to Jason or our team, or if you're in our trading rooms, or you're communicating with my staff, I highly encourage you to get on a call and just get the information that you deserve to have. You put a lot of time and a lot of money into your career as a trader. My job is to give you the best tools and the best systems that we build. I'm here to tell you that I've been duly impressed by what this has done. This isn't some hype. This isn't some hoofla. This is literally just me being real with you. This system makes a lot of money. And I'm excited to share it with you soon, guys. So make sure you get in touch with Jason. You're going to want to see this in the next week. Take care and have a blessed weekend. God bless you guys all.